Day 2 of home ownership. Getting started. About to go get the U-Haul, drop off the steam cleaning thingy. Alright, I took it off Super View because everything was like really crazy. So now we're looking at bags. Such a decision. Finally got a tape measure now. Gotta get the important stuff, toilets. But how many different types of seats are there? Like, I don't know. Gonna get the big one. Second. Oh, there we go. It's pushing against me. Roachy. I think this may be a bit excessive. We're gonna do it just once. Look at that. Hey, your chair over there. Upside down. What a mess. So many cat toys. This thing's full. We got the truck. Stuff in there, but not a whole lot in the back. I see what the priorities are here. Big ass truck with a bunch of stuff. We got randoms, lizards, and other house stuff. The big monstrosity, it's ready to go. We got Brian in the Matrix, got me in the truck, and his wife in the other car, and we're about to head out of this business. So yeah, we'll see if he makes it around this U-turn here. Alright. Look at it go. Aw, made that no problem. Like a mouse. Alright. That's expert packing.
I like how it like slides. It's just like
it gives up.
Completely packed. Yeah.
It looks like it looks like nothing moved.
I didn't hear any big noises.
Yeah,
this
no,
maybe is slid. I think this is like right there.
Yeah. Oh boy.
This mission has been a failure.
Yeah. Made it. Our long journey from the apartment to here. Our set of 4 crew. It's time to make coffee. That's the important part. So let's get this done. Yeah, it is. That was, you guys, man, moved a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's pretty impressive actually. Look at that. Bed all wrapped up, ready to sleep on. Kinda. See the cat kinda shut up. Alright, so now we just need to clean everything. Fill her up. Okay.
It always is.
This is your new home, cat. Look at him. Oh, this. Is it a her? Him. Alright. Brian found him behind the toilet.
Yeah, that's what I said. I was like, I'm letting him.
She's finally cleaned. I'm super beat. I'd say that's a good thing. We got pretty much everything moved as we wanted to, and then some. Second day in the house. This is our first night staying here. Time to get some shut-eye. Another good day. Got a lot done. Doesn't look like it, but. Alright. 3, 2, 3. Good morning. Still have no water. So now it's time to make some coffee, and we have to go to return our U-Haul truck today and go to IKEA. Now we're off to return the monstrosity and go to IKEA. Here we are. popping this out. So happy to not have so much anymore. We lived here for 4 years. Yep. Just about 600 square feet for 4 years. A lot of jet ski builds and a lot of lizards. There it goes. And IKEA furniture. We struck gold here. So much stuff. Here's our haul. It's pretty damn good. We've discovered our cat is a serious wimp. He's just now venturing out of the bedroom. Barely. Place is pretty fancy. Ooh, shrimps. You gotta get shrimps. Yeah. It's a little overboard on this. Well, Operation Anti-Gross is underway. Cleaning this up. It's not too bad, but I mean, it's still kind of gross. Got the fridge clean, all stocked with all the goodies. Freezer's still dirty, but you know. Gonna clean up all this stuff and make it look all party. And then we can start cooking some tasty. Okay, first morning. It's about 4:30 in the morning. First morning back to work. We're gonna see how long it takes me to get to work. But first, since we don't have a washer and dryer Okay, it's 5:18, not 5:19. I'm just about to head out from the house to the apartment to put some clothes to wash on, throw out some trash, and get to work. Here we are, to the laundromat, aka old apartment. Get some dirty clothes washed. So yeah, my whole buying experience, trying to buy products, couches, washer and dryer, has been absolutely awful. Nothing can get delivered within like 2 weeks. Stuff says it's in stock, but it's actually out of stock, and it's like, just take my money. It's really that simple, you know? I mean, we'll even go pick it up ourselves, but no, it's not available. I don't know what's going on. I guess because of all the flood here, everybody's replacing all of their appliances and household stuff because it's been not a good experience. 5:48, wash my hands, now it's time to go to work.